and welcome to Nakshatra. This place is owned by Dr. Virendra and his wife Dr. Prajna. This place is situated in Pumpwell in the Northernsky city. This is the entrance and the other side of the breakfast table. Here's the partition with the mirrors. You ask why the mirrors? It is according to Vastu that when a person enters, they have to see their face in these mirrors. Also, here we have a side table which holds the artifacts and the Lord Ganesha here. So this is the living area. It starts with the TV unit over here. The TV unit has extra storage boxes for the set-top box and the dish. And here we see there are two different types of boxes. This is a shutter box and this is a drawer box. Here in the shutter box we can see that there is a unique feature, that is the glass. It is covered with a black glass so that the TV remote and the receiver are met. Also here we have niches, an L shape of niches which stores all their artifacts. One side of the hall was the TV unit. So what is on the other side? The other side has the L-shaped sofa and the partition which has acrylic sheet CNC cuttings in between them. The CNC cuttings are kept in an irregular pattern that shows up and down positions here between the two sandwiched glass. The ceilings are elegantly designed by the CNC cuttings that are lit behind it. Do you wonder why this apartment is so spacious and has a bungalow-like feel? That is because our interior have worked on the civils and cleared the walls which were coming in the way of this structure. So this is specifically and civilized exactly for the customer. Let's move to the dining area now. The owner has decided to keep his existing dining set, but then we have elegantly made this dining area look even more beautiful with the spotlights and the POP work with the wooden work on the ceiling. It gives a nice elegant finish to the whole dining area. Welcome to every woman's paradise, the kitchen. So this is a very wonderful kitchen. Let me show you how it goes. This is the tall unit. The tall unit has a baking range, including the OTGS and the microwave. Also the base unit. Base unit has a shutter door opening and also a soft touch closing. There is a ledge here that is provided for extra space. The lower base unit has the storage drawers with soft touch close. There are 6 drawers here at the base. Here is the concealed hob. This is something unique. I'm going to show you at the end of the kitchen tour. We have lit top hung shutters for all your spices and condiments to be stored. So we have compartment here specially designed for cylinders, and it also has a soft touch. As you can see, it closes on its own. We can see here that it is lit on the below. It can give a nice effect if you're clicking some food photography. So now I'm going to show you what I've been keeping a surprise till the end. So this is a chimney. You want to see how it works? There it goes. It's on. And it automatically turns off. What if you're working in the kitchen? You have too many things working in your hand. Your hands are not clean. What will you do? This is the chimney you need. The chimney pipelines are concealed with a paint finish, which is easy access for the service as well. breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So here is the breakfast counter. It has a Korean top and it has a very smooth finish. Also, it has a side angular architectural designs, and as well as on top there are ledges and overhead cabinets for their glasswares. There's also a partition that separates the hall and the breakfast table so that the people can eat the breakfast in peace. Now we are in the guest room. This bed has an overhead cushioning which is very comfortable for sitting. Also, there is ledges that has been provided to keep your creative artifacts. Also, there's a side table here which is specifically having a ledge. Next, we have the wardrobe. The wardrobe has geometrical groovings and is also very artistically made. It has a loft on top which is very well color coordinated with the beige and the dark brown. Also, we have rafters on the top which is making this whole room look complete with the spotlights on the head. The guest room also leads to a beautiful balcony that is wonderful for the night air. Behind me, as you can see, there are the wooden staircase which are railed with metal handles and with glass finish. So here are the wooden steps that are railed with metallic handles and also the glass finish.
This is how the staircase looked before we could modify it into something so beautiful.
So now we are in the kids room. This kids room has ledges which provide space for the toys that the kids own. This kids room is specifically designed for the two kids that our owner owns. And here is the study area. This study area has ledges to give them more space. Also, what is unique about this study area, you ask? That is the G-shaped side table. Okay, this G-shaped side table is very unique and one of its kind. And the wardrobe, one of a kind, very unique. It is a half wardrobe with down storage space. It also has overhead wardrobes. And what you ask is very beautiful in this room, that is this flooring. This flooring goes up till the roof, and also the wallpaper. This is specially customized. Leading out from this room is a balcony which has a mesmerizing view. Now we are in the master bedroom. This master bedroom has a wonderful bed which has a very rustic design. It also is supported by a head cushioning which is very comfortable to sit and read at night. Also, we move forward and we see TV paneling and the TV unit. It is wonderful if you have another TV, and also there's a U-shaped ledge. There's also niches that is provided on the back of the wall for the artifacts, and there's an amazing wallpaper that is applied to it. There's also a paneling, a L-shaped wooden paneling. It's beautiful and gives a very good finish to the whole room. As we move forward, we have the computer table. The computer table allows people to do their daily work, as it's a very important part of our life. As this was a duplex flat, we have covered the second floor entrance by doing this camouflage method. This is a very organized show unit which is very good to put in all your small things. The bedside table is an architectural beauty with its slanting architectural design. are here with the man behind the art, Mr. JK, and he is the interior architect of this whole apartment. So, sir, first and foremost thing, I don't have enough adjectives to describe this house. It is wonderful. And I would like to know what was your plannings in civil work and how did you organize everything to give us such a wonderful art?
First meeting with the client, he told his taste and requirements. Keeping that in mind, I designed this house according to his needs, as he is a doctor. So he wanted more bookshelves and storage spaces. When I first visited the site, I measured the area as this apartment was a duplex. There was some changes in the civil structure which my associate Mr. Pratish helped me a lot. Once designs are completed, I gave presentation to sir and he liked it. Then finalized it. Once he finalized, I started to draw furniture, drawings, inner sections and all. Then we started work.
Now we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment below and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon. And also, if you have not watched our last video, the link is down below in the description. Thank you for watching.